Hey, what's up? Nandito kami ngayon sa H2O Hotel kasama ang aking minamahal na asawa. Ayan, say hi, mahal.
Hi!
And ang pinakamakulit na bata sa buong Cavite. What is your name? Hey.
Oh, di ba tinanggal yung...
Hey, what is your name?
Name is Cappuccino.
Cappuccino. And my Sefi. Birthday relaxation ng aking misis. Mag-relax siya habang bantay niya yung dalawang bata. So, ito ang view namin ngayon. Inaantay lang namin mag 2 p.m. para sa check-in. Pero maaga pa, maglilibot muna kami. Kasama namin ang maliliit na chikiting Tres! Tres, can you come? Baby, come here to daddy. At si Sefi nagdididi.
Didi mo na.
Come, say hi to the camera. Say hi muna, say hi.
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 Hi, Jessie.
What is your name?
Name is Cappuccino.
Oh. Dito? Wait lang. Hi, Tres. Dito ba yung ticket ng dito, yung Oceanarium?
Apo.
Dito?
Ano po yung i-aabin mo?
Hindi ko nga alam. Ano bang ano?
Ito po yung mga aquarium sa
Oo.
sila, yung show, penguin, stingray.
Okay.
Ito na po lahat. Mas maliit. 800 po siya.
Ito,
Biodome po yan. Birds naman yan.
maulan naman yan. Ito,
Swimming lang. Payment nyo.
pwede na? Sige. Thank you.
Babasok pa po kayo, sir?
Oo.
Ilayin na lang po, ma'am. Ay, sir. Pwede up po.
Yes po, 15 minutes na lang yan.
Ah,
Pwede po mag-last show by 4.
mga ano oras?
Punta
4:30.
muna kayo sa ibang attractions.
Okay, sige. Thank you. O maglilibot-libot kami ng aking asawa. Kasama ang dalawang bagets.
Swimming. I was swimming.
Yeah.
I was swimming.
Family man ako ngayon, family man. I am dedicated family man.
Swimming. I was
Oo.
swimming.
Tres,
Swimming. I was swimming.
gusto niya naman siya. Later, we go. Ala, nandiyan na yung guard, oh. Ala. Oh, pagalitan nyo nga to, gusto mag-swimming, oh. Umuulan, oh. Ayan na, oh. Ito, oh, gusto mag-swimming, oh. Umuulan, oh.
I was swimming.
Oh, look, oh. Bird. You wanna swim? A lot of fish na.
Yeah.
Say wow, ha? You wanna say wow, okay?
Wow.
Smile ka.
Sa Philippines na sila. Okay, ready for the camera po? Ready? Smile, kuya!
Smile, Tracy.
One more, kuya! Smile!
What is that?
Free. Free.
Kunin mo kaya muna, ma. What is that, Tres? Kunin mo muna. Kunin mo muna. Oh. You wanna see a bigger fish?
Yeah.
What color is that? Oh, I will show you the much bigger fish. Look. Oh no. What is that? Look, what is that? Tell them.
You eating
What? Eh, there's a stingray, oh. Look, oh, there's a stingray. Oh, look at that. Look at that. What is that?
A fish.
A fish.
A big fish. A crab.
Yan, crab.
A lake. Hello. 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 Where are you?
Hindi.
Dami. Scary ba yan?
There's a lot of fish.
Yeah.
What color is that? That one's so scary.
No.
Ito mo. Ito malaki na eh, oh.
Ganito siya. Janitor fish.
Ito. Oh, look. Ay, big fish siya. Look up. Oh! Look up.
A cute. Huh? A cute. Where? What a big crab again.
Yeah.
A big one. What the baby shark, Dad? What the baby
May
shark?
nagpipicture kasi.
Huh? Hello.
Just put your...
Put your hand.
And they're gonna eat
Steady.
your hand.
Don't move. Don't move your hand.
Eat nila yung hand niya.
Don't move. Oh, look at daddy, ha? Look at daddy. Oh, look at daddy. Oh.
A fish. A fish. Baby shark.
Kumakanta pa nga eh. Ah, kanta ka na, baby shark.
Baby shark.
Ay, no.
Lalapit mo kasi doon.
Wait lang. Wait.
No.
Halika dito. Ayan, no. Nag-i-sleep yung shark ko. Oh, sit down ka dyan.
Ayan.
Ayan yung shark ko. Oh, sit down only, ha?
What happened to shark, Mom? What happened to shark, Mom?
Take a picture. Sepi. Tres. Smile. Tres, smile.
Baby shark.
Go, sing na. Sing ka na. Alo, nakita ka ng shark. That's a shark.
That's the shark.
Yeah, and a big stingray. Look, oh, stingray.
Si Mommy shark. Si Mommy shark. They're
Look.
all chipping. They're all chipping. The shark.
Baby shark. If you feed the baby shark and stingray, just drop the food in front of them. Then if they come, you can touch them, kuya.
Touch it. Are you scared?
Don't be scared.
Ego. Do eating.
Dahan kasi.
Ego. What that?
Touch.
Oh, touch the stingray.
Touch mo muna. Put it down muna.
Touch mo muna yung stingray.
Touch. Wow, baby.
They eat you. Ego, wait. Ego, wait.
Touch the stingray, oh.
Touch mo dali.
What they eat you? Yeah. What they eat you? Ego.
Nilagay mo.
Ego.
Ayan, kinain ka na.
Here we go.
Oh, look at the shark.
After.
Yo, what up? Ito yung sitwasyon namin ngayon. Ilang oras pa lang kami dito sa Manila Ocean Park. Ayun na yung asawa ko. Nalosyang na. Ang kulit kasi na ito eh. Tres, Ano na naman yung binili mo?
Biri.
Ikaw na naman ang nagwagi. What will you say?
Thank you.
Mami.
Welcome.
Si-stress mo na.
Oh.
Baby, tapa. Okay, baby, tapa.
Ganito ang itsura ng may isang 3 years old at 1 month. Ha, pagod na agad kami. Ay, sorry, yung gamit pala namin. This one. Isusunod na lang ba yan? Room 3211? Aha.
For checking na po kayo.
For check-in. 211. Wait lang, double check ko. Tama. Alright. Thank you. Alright.
Big.
3, 2,
Baby.
1, 1. Okay. So,
What do we
eto na ang aming room.
Kuya Papa, Hada Baba, Hello Baba.
This one. So, here's our room. Room 3211. Yeah.
3-2-1.
Wait. Oh. Here you go. Wow. So here's our room. Open it, mommy. With a view of Dolomite Beach. Are you happy? Boy? Ha? Good morning, good morning. Ang aming second day dito sa hotel with may makulit. Magba-breakfast na kami. Let's go. Let's have a breakfast. Maaga kaming magbe-breakfast dahil magsiswimming kami ng aking binata later. Hindi nasasama si mami sa pool dahil mahirapan siya kasi nandyan si Cephalog. Tracy! Good morning. Tracy, come on. Hey. Ayan. Magbe-breakfast muna kami. I think they don't have a watermelon. They don't have a watermelon, anak. But, you want spaghetti? Ay, you want pancake? Huh? Okay. I can give you a pancake. Si Sefi pa ha? Baka hindi ba malalaglag?
Awas women. Dada. Awas women.
Tapos si Tres. Tres, ano ka dito?
I know.
Ma, they have pancake. May pancake sila.
Let's check.
Oo.
Mommy. Mom. Mom. Mommy. Okay.
Press, what are you doing? Hey, stand up. What is that, ma? Tulo dito.
Ubusin mo man yung nasa mouth mo. Let me see your mouth. Open ma.
Oh, open mouth muna, open mouth. Open mouth.
Wala na.
Meron pa. Eat mo muna yung nasa mouth mo, then ano, mag-swimming na tayo.
Is this back, Mom?
Oh, yan. Crazy frog.
So, yan. And mamaya sa swimming, ang gagamitin namin
Galing
camera
naman.
yung Insta360 para maganda yung kuha niya. Ang gamit ko kasi ngayon is GoPro. Ayan. With Holy Land Lark M2S na mic. Mic test, mic test. Mic test ka nga, mahal?
Mic test, mic test.
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
What are you going to do?
Doing base.
Are you going to?
Base.
Yeah, are you excited?
Yeah.
Excited ka na?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go. Nakita kasi namin to kanina, nung nag-swimming kami. Don't remove your helmet, ha? Hey, I'm gonna remove na your mic. I'm gonna put it to your mom na.
Kaya niya ba yan? May mga obstacles.
Kaya ni Tres yan, si Tres pa.
Ilang minutes siya?
Oh, wait lang, not yet finished.
Elbow pa, elbow.
Elbow pa. Para safe ka. Are you excited ba? What are you going to do? Bye.
Yung sa ano niya, oh. Hindi ba na-adjust yung dito?
Mamaya ipa-adjust natin. Para ano. Oh. So habang inaantay namin yung aming lapitan sila agad sa akin. Okay na? Let's go, Tres!
O, de.
Ang galing naman ni Tres. Doon ka lang. Ang galing naman yan.
Hindi ko na kaya ba?
Para kang tanga, ma.
Ang dami mga lubak.
Sarap kaya.
Hindi kaya.
Kinakain nila yung ano.
Dead. Daming patay. Dead skin ba yun?
Faster. Let's go. Come on.
Go fast, go fast.
So fast. Go.
Go fast, go fast. Go faster, go faster. Yay!
Oh, here.
Oh, here. Go back here.
Up. Chris. Oh.
Hi! Marunong.
Okay,
Go
ginawa.
fast. Go faster, Tracy.
Go, baby.
Go
Go.
faster.
Faster.
You go there. Go there, oh. Go there,
Oh,
go there,
here.
go there. Yan,
Oh,
go.
wait.
Go, 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 go. Go. Go faster. Yeah.
So, yun. Tapos na kami dito sa Hotel H2O. Nakapagpa-fish pa kami and nakapag-bike si Tracy Boy. And ang susunod namin pupuntahan ay... Ano susunod natin pupuntahan, Ma?
Ako, Manila Zoo.
Manila Zoo.
Kasi sampay.
So, tayo, anong titignan? Ay, nailak ko ba, Ma?
Hindi yata.
Ha?
Hindi yata. Eh, dito lang. Kita ata registration sa kanan eh.
Saan?
Sa kanan.
Saan ba? Ah, dito yata. So, nandito kami sa Manila Zoo ngayon and nagmahal na siya. 300 na siya for non-residents ng Manila. And ayun. Ang dami nating payong, Ma.
Eh, dalawa bata natin eh. Salamat.
Ma, gusto mo ilagay ko na lang yung payong sa ano?
Hindi
sa
na baka
ilalim?
mo, ano. Salamat po.
Ah, akin na. Para, pwede sa ilalim yan eh. O, yan o. O. That. What is that? What is that? Alam niya. Alam niya.
Alam niya.
What is that?
The ostrich. The ostrich.
Ni-
Sila. They are angry.
Parrot. Hello. Baka papain. Bite niya yung ano. Ah,
Oh, meron pa pala doon ng kiss na ano. What is that?
ang sabi ng tiger?
Gusto mo bite ka ng tiger? Ha? Ano sabi ng tiger? Ano sabi? Ganon?
Di ba kaya sila nabuboard?
Are you sleepy? Look oh. Look at the tiger oh.
Ang sleepy. Sabi mo, wake up, wake
Wake
up.
up mo na nga.
Wake up talaga niya. Wake up mo, sleeping eh. Buhay pa ba yan?
Kalabitin mo nga, Mi. Mi. Kalabitin mo nga. Pag bila ka na, wal.
Ganito ka, dilaw. Medyo ano,
Nagpa-ano siya?
nag-kojic.
Hindi. Nagpa-bleach.
Ano ba to? Reindeer ba yan?
Ayun, uso. Sarap. Masarap yung karne niyan, may tapa.
Ka.
Oo nga.
Yung alin?
Tapang usa. Manamis-namis yung karne nila. Look at the ostrich, oh.
Patulog na rin.
You want me to ano? Wait. Hello. Buhatin kita. Totoo yan.
Ayaw maniwala. Wala nga ni mata. Wala nga yung ngala-ngala.
Hello. What is that?
Ano yan?
That's a big snake na. Ayun, no. I'm just kidding.
Anak ko, yun o.
I'm sorry.
Go up yung ano. Go up. Right ka na ata, love.
Ah,
Lapit na.
right?
Right.
Okay.
Done.
Oh, pagod ah. You want a butterfly? Wow. So, yun. Pagod. Buti na lang, behave si Sefi. Pauwi na kami, tapos na kami sa Manila Zoo. Ang entrance niya na ngayon is 300 pesos pag hindi ka citizen ng Manila, 150 pag taga Manila ka.
Sorry.
Nung last na punta ko yata dito, 40 pesos lang yung binayaran ko. Pero hindi ganito kaganda, maganda na yung Manila Zoo.
Okay.
Nasaan?
Sa Manila, so?
Hindi, ano, lupa.
Rough road.
Lupa dati yung ano. Tagal na.
Rough road pala.
2000, kailan ba ako huli pumunta dito? Mga 2010 siguro, 2011. May elephant pa nun eh, tsaka hippopotamus. Hippopotamus. Elephant, meron pa nung time na yon. Pero last year, di ba nabalita na wala na yung elephant? Yeah. Let's go.
So tired.
So tired.